Hello, welcome to your nightly news at skin o'clock. So I'm here eating Spanish food.
Kitty run, run, kitty run, run.
Hola, mi nombre es Alexa. Nuevamente, bienvenidos a mi canal de YouTube. Hace tiempo que no he subido video a mi canal de YouTube, pero hoy estamos de regreso con nuevo contenido. Me extrañaron. Also, yes, like I said, here eating Spanish food. We're gonna eat food today. I'm very excited. My right arm is killing me. But what I have in front of me is papas fritas, you know papas fritas? I also have some kind of funky little meatball over there, which looks delicious. But the thing directly in front of me, albóndigas con salsa de chorizo. Un plato muy típico de la región de Andalucía, España, las albóndigas a la andaluza. Se trata de una receta muy tradicional, aunque existen un sinfín de recetas y variedades para realizar este delicioso entrante. A very typical dish from the region of Andalusia, Spain, Andalusian meatballs. It is a very traditional recipe from this region, and although there are endless recipes and varieties to make this delicious starter dish. This is cerdo estilo ibérico. Yes, and inside of it there is tomatoes, we have the zucchini, we have onion, there's chorizo, there's mushroom, meatballs. It's a kind of stew basically. Got some pan, some bread. Pan or plan? Meron pan. And the papas fritas. I'm very hungry. Time quesinita. I'm attacking potato first because yes. Let's give this a try, shall we? Get that chorizo. Also get the meatball because I need protein. Get some mushy boys, some zucchinis. Okay. Ew. Caramel quesinita. This looks like it's very hot though, so please don't burn my mouth. It's good. It's very good, I like. No, I wouldn't say these spices are weird for me or anything. I'm pretty sure I've tasted these kind of things before, but it's always nice to have a familiar taste again. Very, very delicious. Yeah. Cut the little chorizo. Cutting in a bowl is difficult. Should be an Olympic sport. Chorizo, yes, very good. Could be a little bit spicier, but that's just me, but it's good. Okay, the meatball, very tender. Okay, I see we have like onion in there, which is nice. Also very good, the flavor's good. I've never had paella before. I've had like risotto, but I've never had like paella. Paella is a rice dish originally from Valencia. Let's see. People think it is Spain's national dish, but people also think it's just native to the Valencian region. Typically has rice, saffron, vegetables, chicken, and seafood cooked in one pan. This place doesn't have it, unfortunately, but I want to try paella eventually. It looks delicious. If I ever go to Spain, please recommend good places to get paella, please. Because if I'm going to a foreign country for food, I want to do the food right, y'all. Don't send me somewhere that's not like the best representative taste of Spain, you know? So, take some of this bread. And I do love bread. We're gonna tear off a little piece. Give it a little dip. Very, very good. Me gusta mucho. Come here, you little delicious little confection. Okay. Albóndigas, this is albóndigas. Yes. And we are going to crack into these right now. Ooh, very steamy. I'm afraid I'm gonna burn my mouth again. Just gonna let that cool off for a second. Papas fritas in the meantime because those gotta cool. albóndigas. These are good. These are good. Good food, yes. Recently I moved into my new place, finally. Still a lot of organization to be done because I haven't really had like a solid a few days to really just organize everything, but I've been working on it when I can. I went to IKEA, I bought some furniture, put together a bed, put together some shelves, taken care of things, cleansed my apartment with sage. Just got the vaccine, so you know your girl's been healthy and safe. Shoulder's very sore, but we got things prepared. Things are coming your way soon, so be patient with us over here at the Alexa Project. Y'all know anytime we do like one of these little Alexa tries food videos, I'm very happy because getting to eat food, great way to spend my day off. So very happy, loving the flavors, loving the smells, loving the spices. Again, if I ever find myself in Spain, please let me go where they're like local matip places. I mean, I know Spain is a lot of cities and everything, but you know what I mean. But if I wind up in Spain, are there other foods I should try that I haven't tried here? Because again, paella is one of them. But yeah, I hope that my fans in Spain enjoyed today's video. And yeah, hopefully I can see y'all in the future. So stay safe and stay healthy till then. Adios.